just you have to write, fill in the following blanks. Blanks, they gave some questions, so we have to find that answer. So first one, what is they given? 15 divided by 20, sorry, is 20 not 18. Okay, 15 divided by 18, which is equal to, box they given, and divided by 6, which is equal to 10 they given, divided by 1 box, and which is equal to what the thing is, divided by 30. So what they given in that bracket, they given, are these equivalent ratio? So you know that equivalent fraction, what's my equivalent fraction? So same number we have multiple and divide in the numerator as well as the denominator, means we will get one more fraction, right? So that's called equivalent fraction. Same way here, equivalent ratio, how to find means, if we multiple that same number, or if we divide by using same number, so we will get one new ratio, that is called your equivalent ratio. So now here we have to check whether it is equivalent ratio or not. Okay, first how to check? So first we have to write 15 divided by 18. Okay, 15 divided by 18, which is equal to first two box we will take, first two case we will take box divided by 6. Okay, now look at this, this is the denominator, am I right? This is the denominator, this is numerator, this value. Okay, now 18 becomes 3. So what you did means 18 will become 6. Okay, sorry, not 3, 18 will become 6. What you did, see, one thing you have to know, now 18 and 6, which one is the big number? 18. So whenever, if the denominator is big number, that big number is going to small number, means that means after converting it is a small number, means there must be a division. See here, so big number, less number, okay, that means small number. So whenever the denominator is converted big number to less number, means small number, means we have to divide. So we have to divide means we have to divide in the denominator, we have to divide in the numerator, any number. Okay, so any number we have to divide numerator and denominator both. So first you will take 15 divided by 18. So what number if you divide means it will come 3. Okay, so it will come 3. So 18, see here how many 3s are 18 will come. So if you divide means 6, means 18 divided by 6, see here 18 divided by 6, 3 6 are 18, so 18 minus 18 0. So that means we have to divide by the number 6. So this number if you divide means same number you have to divide in the numerator. Okay, so that means so what is the thing is 18 will become 3, no? So sorry, just a minute. Okay, first I will write it. Okay, 15 divided by 18. Okay, so 15 divided by 18 means, so here it is 6, am I right? So 6 means 6, here one box. So what number if we divide means 6 will come, means we have to divide by 3. Okay, I said first one I said 6, not a 6. If we divide 3 means we will get 6. Okay, I didn't notice that denominator value. Okay, so anyway, sorry for that. So 18 divided by 3, 6 value. So same number you have to divide. So 15 divided by 3, 5. Okay, so that means the given value is 5 by 6. Okay, this is called equivalent ratio, 5 by 6. So after that what they given, so 5 by 6, which is equal to 10 divided by 1 box. Now small number to big number means, see, this is a small number, this is a big number, this is also numerator, this is also numerator. So small number to big number means we have to multiple. Okay, so which number if you multiple with 5 means you will get 10 value, so only 2. So 2, so 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. So that means 10 divided by 12. Okay, the next box we found. Anyway, the last two boxes 10 box divided by 30. Now what is the thing is, see here, yes, Okay, students. Okay, so 10 divided by 12. So 5 by 6. So 5 by 6, if you multiple with the 2 means we will get this value. So 5 by 6, if you multiple by 3 means what answer you are getting? Just you can think about 5 by 6. So 3 means you will get one number. So 4 means you will get one number. So if you multiple with 5 means what is that number is coming? So 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. Am I right? So 25 divided by 30. So the box is 25. Okay. So anyway, don't get confusion. So I will do it again. Okay. That means see here 15 divided by 18. Okay. So first one 15 divided by 18 will become a box divided by 6. Am I right? So big number to small number means we have to divide it. So divide by 3. So divide by 3 means 18 divided by 3, 6 3s are 18. That means 18 divided by 3, 6. So divide by 3 here. So here 5 3s are 15. So 5 by 6 you are getting. So next box is if you multiple by 2. So multiple by 2 and multiple by 2 here means 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. Okay. So that means the box value is 12. Then one more box they given. So that means equivalent ratio only, no. So 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 we have to multiple. What number if we multiple means 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. What number if we multiple means 30 and here one box. Okay. So what number if we multiple means will come. So 6 5s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So 25 divided by 30. So 25 divided by 30. So that means everything. So 5 by 6 if you multiple by 2 means we will get one number. 5 by 6 if you multiple by 5 means we will get same on some number. Okay, so this is called equivalent ratio. When we are multiplying the same number in that multiplying or dividing same number in the denominator and numerator, we will get one number that is called your equivalent ratio. So now we checked that. So all the thing and all equivalent ratio only. So simply if we cancel it means we will get the same fraction 5 by 6. Okay, so that means it is the case all the one are equivalent ratio. Okay, so next sixth problem is find the ratio of the following. Okay, so find the ratio of the following. So here I will do some problem and the remaining problem I will give homework for your reference. Okay, so find the ratio of the following. Okay, so first one 15 divided by 18. So 15 divided by 18 which is equal to, sorry, that is the previous problem, no, 15 divided by 18 not, what is then 81 to 108. So A value 81 to 108. So 108. Okay students, so first we have to find the ratio of this one 81 to 108. So for this you have to know that table students. So 81 is to 108. So 81 is to 108 can be written as 81 divided by 108. Okay, first we have to check whether which are the tables and all it is coming. Okay, so 2 table it will divide or not. So 2 table 108 that only will divide, 81 will not divide. Okay, you can check it. Okay, anyway we will check in that third table. So 3 table means see here 81. So you can divide by 3. Simply we cancelled that first one 81. So 81 divided by 3. So 2 3s are 6, remaining 2. So 21. 7 3s are 21. So 21 minus 21 0. So that means here 21 will come when we divide by 3. Okay, and same number also we have to divide, no. Okay, sorry students, okay, unfortunately I touched my hand. Okay, no problem. 81 to 108. Okay, so divide by 3. Here also divide by 3. So here 2 3s are 6, 27. So now 108 divided by 3. So first we have to know that, see here 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9, remaining 1. So that 1 will come here, 8 no, join with the 8. That means 18. So 18 means 6 3s are 18. Okay, so what is that answer we are getting? 36. Okay, we can divide, you can divide, just check it. 108 divided by 3. So what answer you are getting? That answer you have to write it here. So anyway, further we have to divide by third table. So 9 3s are 27 and 12 threes are 36, so 9 by 12. So still we can divide by third table, so 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12. Okay, so what you are getting finally, so 3 divided by 4. So now after this one we cannot divide any other number other than 1, so we have to leave it here. So 3 by 4, which can be written as 3 is to 4. Okay students. Okay, so this kind of only we have to work out. So anyway, whenever you have to work out, just look at that whether same quantity is given or not. So if there is no same quantity, means we have to convert as same quantity. For example, in some problem, the centimeter 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter they given, means you have to convert either centimeter as meter or meter as centimeter, then only you have to do it. Okay students, next problem. So problem B, I will do that. 98 to 63. So 98 to 63. So first one we have to write 98 is to 63. Okay, so 98 divided by 63. So for all the problems, no need to divide that what's called division method. Okay, so instead of that one we have to divide it directly. So how can we divide it directly? Means see here, first look at that first number 9. How many what's called, just check that second table will not come. So how many threes are 9? 3 threes are 9. Okay, then 8 means 8 also will not divide. Okay, right, 8 will not divide, so that means third table will not come. Okay, so any other table just check it. Okay, fourth table also will not come, and fifth table will not come. Okay, next one, sixth table not come, it will not come. Seventh table, just check it, seventh table. Okay, first one 98. Okay, so 98 divide by 7. Okay, so directly if you know, means you can divide it here itself. So anyway, 1 7s are 7, remaining 2, so 28. So 4 7s are 28. So 14 7s are, if you divide by 7 means 14 7s are 98. So same number you have to divide in the bottom also. So 9 7s are 63. Okay, so 14 is to 9. Any other number if we divide, means there is no number will divide the same number other than 1. You can check it. Okay, so the ratio is actually 14 divided by 9 can be written as 14 is to 9. Okay, so we cannot divide it further by any number, so we have to leave it here. So that means 14 is to 9 students. Okay, so one more problem I will do it, that what's called D problem. Okay, so D problem I will do it. C problem for your homework. So C is homework. Okay, so remember that what is that is sixth one C is your homework. Okay, so sixth one D problem, 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to what is the thing is 45 minutes. So 45 minute, so 35 minute to 45 minute, what is that ratio? Okay, so D problem I will solve. 35 is to 45. So 45, so 35 divided by 45 we can write. So that means any number we can divide it by same number, means 7 5s are 35. Okay, divide it by 5, so divide it by 5. Okay, so 7 5s are 35, and how many 5s are the 45 will come, 9 5s are 45. Okay, so that means 7 is to 9, 7 divided by 9, 7 divided by 9 can be written as 7 is to 9. Okay students. Okay, so this kind of only we have to work out students. Anyway, in that C problem for your reference I gave in the 7th problem and 8th and the remaining problem and all we will do in that next session. So thank you all, I hope you all understand. So please take your note and do the problem. Okay students, so this is the today's class. So I hope you all enjoyed, and this kind of only we have to do that problems in that exercise 12.1, and in the upcoming class we will see that remaining problems. So anyway, you have to know that in the ratio you know how to divide that number. Okay, so first of all you have to just take that and just tables and all you have to know, then only you can solve these problems. It will be very easy to solve. Okay, so just you have to know that the tables. Okay, so how to divide, you know how to whether the number is dividing by 2, 4, 6, so that kind of you have to know that. Okay, so and division is very important, so please practice division. So anyway, so in the next session we will see that next few problems. So until you have to wait. So thank you all. Thank you.